If you're fascinated by the allure of gemstones, but unsure where to start, let's explore the vibrant and versatile world of Chrysocolla. Chrysocolla, not just a gemstone but a canvas of nature's artistry, boasts an enchanting array of blues and greens. This gem is as much a feast for the eyes as it is a marvel of geology. Found primarily in copper mining regions, Chrysocolla forms where copper deposits weather, creating this stunning mineral through a dance of chemistry involving silica, water, and copper. Its vibrant hues come from the copper element, giving it that signature blue-green palette that captures the heart of any gem lover. But it's not just a pretty face. Chrysocolla has practical uses too. Historically, it was used by craftsmen for inlays and small sculptures. Today it graces the collections of jewelry makers and gemstone enthusiasts worldwide, featuring prominently in everything from necklaces to ornate carvings. Craving to see this gemstone in person? Chrysocolla stars in many fine gem and mineral shops along the Tucson Mineral Mile in Tucson, Arizona, where its beauty and uniqueness continue to enchant and inspire. Who knows, maybe your next treasure find could be a piece of this gemstone magic.